I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by your mix of
Maybe you would have nobody.
statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate.
Hi, good afternoon, B. Welcome to my kitchen. And here I'm gonna show you how to make the herbal drink as I told you last morning. You need the ginger. We need the ginger. You know your ginger? If you like cooking, you know the ginger. And also ginger and then cinnamon. Cinnamon here, cinnamon. And lemongrass. You know lemongrass? Lemongrass. And also turmeric. Here turmeric. Actually there is one material also, namely curcuma. As I told you, curcuma make me easy to hungry. So today I don't use curcuma. Just this one, ginger and also turmeric and lemongrass and also cinnamon. The first thing you can see, just make clean all the material. Okay. No size, everything just filling. So just don't ask me about how many ginger I need. Just everything just filling. Okay. And also make a clean about the turmeric. Make clean. See? Clean the turmeric. Okay. Clean the turmeric. Turmeric again. Yellow. Make sure there is no dirty. Make sure everything will be clean. And also here the lemongrass. If you don't know, maybe your wife know about this, because I think she like cooking, so she know about it. Just make sure. Okay. And yeah. I hope this material is easy to find it in Bangkok. Okay. After this all clean, then you need to wash this in the water. So make sure everything clean. Yeah, everything clean. Washing, and then here also need the washing. Okay. Cut all the cut all the material thin like this. Thin. If not thin, you can need make thin. All except this one and this one. No need to cut in. Okay. Even herbal, it need everything clean. you see, if you need the water of this one, you can heat it. And put into water. All, and here all. All. You should make a tini, and also clean. Have to clean. All material have to clean. Here also. So the water become yellow now. Next time the water become yellow if already already boiling. Okay, again, don't ask me about the size. Everything just feeling. Okay. And also I need just to cinnamon, and this one I need to make okay. And ready to boiling. Ready to boiling. You can see. Make the water become little like this, from this one and like this, and then drink when the herbal drink feel warm, not cool. Cool is not okay, but warm is okay. Okay, thank you.